Good morning on this gloomy Sunday morning in October. I thought I'd come for a wander, a quick walk through the forest over at Tunstall, or Tunstall Forest shall I say. It's very beautiful. The colours are changing, browns and greens, and the ferns are sort of starting to brown off, starting to die off for the winter, and some beautiful purples with the heather. I think it's heather anyway. I'll have to check on that, but I'm sure in the comments below you may be able to obviously highlight that for me. But it's a beautiful forest, and thought I'd bring you guys along and share the walk with me.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sun.
Well, I've come off the track a little bit and trying to get some nice shots, and I've actually lost my way a little bit. I've actually lost the footpath. I think I can see it up ahead, so let's see what we can find through here. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Not too far.
Not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn.
There's quite a few herds of deer in these forests. They're here somewhere. They keep themselves to themselves, hidden away. And that's what, I don't know, you see some fencing there. That's predominantly not just the boundary, but I think that's to keep the deer in certain areas to stop them wandering through and destroying all the crops in the neighbouring fields. Let's see what's down here. I do like to explore. Probably find I can't get through. Oh yeah. Is there a gate down here that I can get back over? All right, I'm going the right way then. Thank you. Nice people going for a walk with their dog. Thankfully they've been here many times, so they know where the gates are. I mean, I would have walked back, but I don't necessarily want to walk all the way back again. It'd be nice to go around in a full circle, so to speak. you probably noticed by now, guys, I've still got my mask on, so it's still the time that unfortunately we're having a second wave, as you're all probably aware at this point, of the coronavirus. So I suppose predominantly I probably don't really need to have it on at the moment, but being in the open. But to be honest, when I'm coming across obviously other people, as I just did, I think I prefer to have a mask on. Here we go. It's open. Keep dogs on leads. Beautiful footpaths. Hello. Morning. Morning.
Right on.
Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day, it is waiting for restore us. There will be new ways. This is not the